What is up, guys? Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can have a potential chance to win $1,000 of Bitcoin giveaway. So of course, if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and turn notification bells on so you guys never miss a video like this one. So in order for you guys to essentially participate and be eligible to win the giveaway, you obviously have to subscribe to this channel. So that's one of the reasons right here. So as you guys can see right here, $1,000 Bitcoin giveaway alert. To enter, you essentially have to go ahead and retweet this tweet. So you go ahead and retweet it. Second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna essentially subscribe and like any video, YouTube video on the Crypto News channel. So you're gonna go ahead on YouTube right here and you're gonna go type in cryptonews.com right here. This is the tag, and I will be leaving links in the description below. So make sure you guys follow this step by step, and you're gonna go ahead and like any videos, of course, on Crypto News. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right here, turn notification bells on right there, and that's about it. So moving on to step number 3, you're gonna go ahead and follow Crypto News on Twitter. So this is Crypto News right here, cryptonews.com. As you guys can see right here, I am following them. I'm obviously not going to follow them. That's going to be the step number 3. Going on, and step number 4, you're going to go ahead and join the Telegram group. I will be leaving a link in the description below in order for you to join the Telegram group. And of course, once all these steps are done, you're going to go ahead and comment plus. So of course, you're going to go right here, comment plus like that. And then when done, that's it. You guys are done. Now this thing will happen between April 5th to April 19th. This contest started already yesterday. There's going to be 10 winners, $100 each, and that's about it. So it is pretty simple. You guys can see right here, the links will be also on Twitter. You got YouTube, you got Telegram, you got all the links right here essentially, and it's pretty simple to do. I mean, this is pretty much free money given to you. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you guys follow all these steps right now, right here. It takes 2 minutes to complete everything, and you can have a chance to win $100. Good luck.